southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois until 1 a.m. At 12:06 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Amboy to near Hennepin to near Tremont, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Peru, Oglesby, La Salle, Paw Paw, and Tonka around 12:20 a.m. Shibuna, Utica, and North Utica around 12:25 a.m. Waterman and Nathlin around 12:30 a.m. Ottawa, Marseilles, and Hinkley around 12:35 a.m. Serena and Gridley around 12:40 a.m. Sheridan and Flanagan around 12:45 a.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 89. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 102. Interstate 88 between mile markers 99 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI-58 Plano. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.